How's it going, YouTube? Limitless Horsepower here again with another video. This is just going to be an update video on what has been done to the truck. So as some of you guys might have already noticed, that is a mic, and that mic is for the single DIN stereo that I installed. I installed this on my own, and I also hooked up the while I was installing this, I also hooked up the subwoofers and the amp. I ran all the cables for it. So long story short, I went to an audio shop thinking that it was going to be, you know, at the most $300 to get this installed. The guy tried telling me, you know, a bunch of long stories about how much work it was going to be, blah, blah, blah. You have to take off the seats and a whole bunch of other things. And he was telling me, you know, just a whole bunch of BS. And he told me that at the end of the day, he was going to charge me $1,000 just in labor. So, you know, I thought that was pretty ridiculous. And I just, you know, just said whatever, and I ended up doing it myself. So he was also telling me that you need to drill through the firewall. You do not need to drill through the firewall. So let me just get that straight. Mine's a 93, and I didn't have to drill through the firewall. I'm pretty sure all the trucks from 88 through 98 should have this. There's an existing grommet that runs right there. If any of you guys have any questions on how to you know, where the grommet is, or how I did any of this stuff, feel free to comment on my videos and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. But there's a grommet that runs along there. You got to pull back the you know, the carpet and stuff and the insulation, and then get to the bare metal of the truck, and then there's like a little grommet that you can just pretty much pop off, and you can just run your power cable to the battery. But yeah, so that's what that was. So I hooked everything up, everything's sounding good. I'm not going to be doing a sound video because I think it's just pretty much pointless. You can never really hear how a sound system actually sounds through the mic. So to me, making one of those, you know, sound clip videos is just kind of pointless. But I'll go ahead and show you guys how I ran the cable, or not how I ran the cable, but where, you know, the subs and the amp stuff is at. I'm 5'8", and I bought the boxes off of Amazon. And they fit pretty good. I mean, I'm still have a lot of leg room, you know, and I daily drive the truck, and I haven't been uncomfortable. So just to give you guys some reference, I'm in a single cab truck, and I know a lot of people, some people are worried about you know, clearance issues and stuff like that. But I'll go ahead and link all the products that I bought down in the description if you guys want to purchase them. And again, if you guys have any questions on how I installed all these, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. So I'll go ahead and show you guys where the subs are at and stuff, and the amplifier. So I have two 10-inch subwoofers. They're P1 Punch Rockford Fosgate subs, and they're hooked up to a Sony Explode 1200 watt amp. The other subwoofer is right there. It's pretty dark, so I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah. And again, I bought these boxes off of Amazon, and I think they were like I want to say $25 each or $30 each. I don't remember too well, but I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. You know, if you guys want to buy them, I'll go ahead and find them, and then I'll go ahead and link them for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My next upgrade, I'm thinking my next two upgrades are either going to be the steering shaft or the headliner. I'm most likely going to do the headliner first, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the steering shaft upgrade. The steering shaft upgrade is an upgraded steering shaft that uses U-joints, and those steering shafts come out of the 84 through the 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJs, I believe, and they're direct fit. You have to do very slight modification. It's like really minimal, but other than that, it's you know, pretty much just bolt on, and it gets rid of all your play in the steering wheel. I mean, literally all your play is going to be gone. So I look forward to doing that and the headliner. But like I said, I'm probably gonna do the headliner first, and then I'm gonna do the steering shaft. The headliner, I might get the same color, a headliner, just suede, or I might get a darker gray. It's this color, but I might get a darker gray suede. I think I might go with a darker gray suede and get the sun visors reupholstered in the same material as well. But I'll let you guys see what it looks like once I get it done. I'm also looking forward to buying another ATV, hopefully next weekend. So if that falls through, then I'll go ahead and post that up for you guys. I promise you guys it's going to be something really dope, and you guys are not going to want to miss that. So stay tuned for that. And other than that, it's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. And yeah, I was also thinking about doing something cool, putting like a little screen in this little pocket that's here. But I don't know, maybe later down the road in the future. I'm pretty content with the way the truck is right now. And oh yeah, I was also having this little clinging issue on the truck. And at first I thought it was the spare tire kit that comes on all of these trucks, but it turned out to be the flip kit that holds up the leaf springs when you lower the truck. I guess it comes with like a flip kit. Those bolts were loose on the passenger side, so what I did, I just tightened them, and it made a big ass difference when I drive the truck. Like, it really makes a huge difference. It was making like a weird, you know, cling cling cling, like a metal, like almost like it was hitting metal with metal kind of noise. Like if it was making like a noise like if metal was hitting metal kind of noise, like that, you know what I'm saying? But I got that issue, you know, I found out the problem. It was just those little bolts that had to be tightened, and I tightened those up, and everything's running solid now. And it feels a lot better. I'm really happy with how the truck is driving right now. Hasn't given me any issues. So I look forward to doing slight modifications in the future, maybe some headers, a cam, and some heads maybe later down the road once I get the headliner and the steering shaft in. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys have a good one. Thank you.